wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
Easter weekend was interesting. We had gale force winds of 40 plus knots the whole weekend, and we went ahead and stuck through it, and we went and took the kids to Roche Harbor. They had a really cool thing going on where they had 2,000 plus hard-boiled eggs for the kids to die until their heart desired, and then the next day would be the egg hunt for these same eggs.
I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Usually go out and that stuff and with the kids and the dinghy, but today's Easter, Roche Harbor. We've been talking all week about taking kids to the Easter egg hunt, do everything here. So we woke up when this has been going on for a few days now, so that's why we're I don't know if the kid GoPro will catch it, but it's a little sporty out there.
Those are some hard-boiled egg items, and you can just have a hard-boiled egg. What else can you do with a hard-boiled egg? What else you got? Deviled egg. Here's the between two entrances to the garden. 0 to 3 here for the step. This is a little bit of a hazard. These are historic. Consider good luck. All right, come on, guys.
4, 3, 2,
job. You got so many. How you doing, bud? Yeah? How much eggs I got? Oh my goodness. You have so many. Why are your dogs in the wind so much?
Then you go like this. Watch.
Okay, so I just got done peeling these eggs. Decided to do deviled eggs because
Oh, I was like, who are you talking to?
the Easter egg hunt, we have more eggs than we know what to do with. They did actual hard-boiled eggs instead of plastic eggs.
Yeah. I think you're talking to me.
Wow, that's really cool.
These guys still over here?
No, I killed one.
Hold on.
Actually, that bit no is
No, baby.
what to play. I back flip off the edge.
Be careful because I want the weight card to break, so you throw those in there. Mash them up. Wanna try, baby?
Left one. Yeah, so I can. Yeah. Oh, now you didn't. Like too much mustard.
Yeah, it also did, I think, too much pickle juice. Go. Then go. All right, we are leaving Roche Harbor today and going to Spencer Spit. We were gonna go down to Port Townsend today, but there's a small craft advisory out in the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and we don't want to do that. So we're going to make that run tomorrow. So we're just gonna try to make it a little bit closer, so the trip's not quite as long for us the next day. But yeah, we're trying to get back down to Everett so that we can get this boat out of the water and fix all the damage.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I felt it. 24. Okay.
Yeah.
Might be able to actually.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it? Unless I can hold it.
You're on.
Why can't I
Might be able
hold it?
to.
Thanks, you're in the way. Bills and I don't.
Got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dean, you come back here. Let's get some of the weight back. It'll keep you all dry.
Huh?
Oh, Dean's got it, sorry. Thank you. Okay, Dean, go ahead and slide down. Well, Mom, if you actually sit on the side closer, you probably won't get as wet.
Rosie, do you want to come and be next to me?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
Yeah, we're just gonna go slow.
Yeah. See, those are 1 foot waves.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Mom, I just passed him to walk.
She's exactly.
The reason I mentioned that it's so nice is because when we first got here, we were just getting punished by the waves and the wind. It wasn't really that much wind. It was only like 10 knots, but like it was coming directly at us basically. And there was just all of that room for the waves to build. And so we're just getting knocked around. We thought it'd be better on the shore. It was not. It was cold and it was really windy. Huh? Oh, I put it in the drawer. But it was really windy, it was really cold. It got a little better when we got on the other side of the spit, but it still wasn't great. And literally right as we were coming back, it stopped and it's finally calm. Well, besides the ferry wake. But I'll take that over the really bad waves and wind.
I'm gonna video the sunset.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah. I'm gonna go out.
ahead, it's calm. Just don't talk to the
It's all pretty out. The sunset's out. Here's what it looks like. I'm the only one. The beach is cool. I like the beach. Nothing else we're gonna get some chicken nuggets and there's a sunset. Okay?
You just press the button again.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take